guys, Eric Collier, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Cleveland Boat Show right here at the IX Center, Cleveland, Ohio, and I love this show. By far one of my favorite shows of the whole year. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some new and exciting things to report to you guys on, and I ran across my good friends over at Meeco Sullivan. I'm here with John Kress. John, how are you, brother?
Good, real good. Thank you, sir.
Good. You know, that name has been around for a long time in the marine industry. Tell us a little bit about what Meeco Sullivan has to offer.
Well, recently this year we acquired the company Wahoo, so we put aluminum in our line as well. So not only are we the #1 at wood or steel frame, but now we are working with aluminum as well.
And these are some of the best docks anywhere on the globe. You guys have got projects that span the whole planet, correct?
Correct. Yesterday I just had a fellow give me a ring. His docks were installed in 1973 and he gave me a plan number. He needs a part.
Are you kidding me?
I said, you need some docks.
Wow, that is fantastic. So it goes to really the testimony of the quality of the product. What separates Meeco Sullivan from all the other dock manufacturers that are out there? What makes them the company to go to?
I would say it's our end service. We don't just sell a dock, we sell a solution, and we bring it all the way into the splash.
Okay. So Meeco Sullivan, this company's been around for a long time. Is it floating docks? Is it stationary docks? What kind of docks do you guys have to offer? And is this just to private individuals, or do you do entire marina facilities? How does that work?
Our focus is marinas. We do go to the residential as well. 99% of what we do, or almost 100%, is floating.
Okay, very good. So if I'm a marina owner or operator, whether I'm in the Great Lakes or indeed anywhere on the globe, and I want to take a look at a good docking solution, I would check out Meeco Sullivan.
Sure
Very
would.
good. Okay, so if I'm not able to make it down to the Cleveland Boat Show, John, tell me, where am I going to go online to find out more information about the different styles of docks, the colors of docks, types of docks that you guys carry, so that if I am in the Great Lakes, I can contact you directly?
www.meecosullivan.com with 2 L's.
Perfect. So you made it pretty difficult. I love it. And you are representing the whole Great Lakes region, is that correct?
Correct. Great Lake region, Midwest is the area. I operate out of all the states that border the Great Lakes with the exception of Pennsylvania and New York.
Okay, and we can find you and your contact info right at meecosullivan.com.
Correct.
As well. Is there a hyphen in that?
No.
Okay, perfect.
One word. Thank you, sir.
John, thank you very much. So great quality dock. Everybody needs to know about meecosullivan.com. That's where you want to go find out information about a wonderful dock brand that you want to talk to John about to have in your next marina. So thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We'll see you out on the water.